Today I'm going to show you how to grow Gladiolus. Gladiolus are really easy to grow. They can be planted straight outside in mid to late spring, which means there's no faffing around involved. You can just stick them straight in the ground. They absolutely love a sunny border like this. They can tolerate partial shade as well, but full sun is generally the best for them. They grow from corms. I'm growing Gladiolus 𝗱𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, which is a really pretty primrose yellow variety. So you plant them in mid to late spring. You can plant them straight in the ground, and a few months later you'll have this tall flower spike with lovely big blooms on it. And also the good thing about Gladiolus is that they make lovely cut flowers too. So if you like cutting your own flowers and displaying them in your home, definitely give Gladiolus a go. You can have a nice large group of them, which means if you snip a few stems you won't really notice them in the garden, but in the home they'll look absolutely gorgeous. So to plant them, I've got this nice I've cleared a nice area here. I've dug it over, removed any weeds, and I will just start by digging a hole. It has to be quite deep. Gladioli do grow quite tall, so if you plant them nice and deep, that helps them to stand tall and straight. Right, that's definitely deep enough. About 10 centimetres deep, or a trowel depth is perfect. This is what the Gladiolus 𝗱𝗃 looks like. It's a lovely, good quality bulb here, and it's large, so it's going to have a great bloom on it. You plant it with this slightly pointed end facing upwards. It's got a dip underneath that goes downwards. I'll just position that on the bottom of the hole and then cover it over. That's one done. I'm going to plant a group. It's definitely worth planting in groups, because then you can really get this bold colour hit really, and it just really stands out if you plant more than one. So I'm going to plant at least 7 here. I'll just do another one here now, just to show you before I carry on with my planting. That hole was much easier to dig. Another one in there, dip end facing downwards, slightly pointed end facing upwards. Looks a bit like an onion. And there we go. The beauty of Gladiolus is that you don't really need to do much else, just give them a good water, and over the next few weeks carry on watering them. Then you can slow down on the watering a bit, but they just need to stay moist for a while to activate into growth. So I'll give those a good soak. I'd probably put an entire canful on, actually, just to make sure the water goes right down to the bulb. So I'll carry on with that. But that's really all you need to do. They're mainly frost hardy, so they should be fine through the winter. You won't really need to do much else with them. If you live in the southern part of the country, which is slightly warmer, they'll be all right. If you're in a particularly cold place or the winter looks like it's going to be really, really cold, it may be worth lifting them out of the ground and storing them in a frost-free place over winter, just to make sure you don't lose them in a very cold snap. But otherwise you could just chuck on a thick layer of mulch, and that should just be enough to keep them safe over winter. And that's all you really need to do. So I hope you found this video useful. They're very easy, so I definitely recommend giving them a try. Thank you.